Remember the other week we did 3 videos of a van making an offer?
Yeah.
Didn't do very right, did we?
No.
Right, so we're going to have another
Tell
go.
by the comments, actually.
Yeah. We're going to have another go now. Basically, we've had it in. Right, it's a Sloop by Adria.
Is it a John B?
What?
A John B?
Hang on. Who's a John B?
We sailed on a sloop John B by Grandpappy and me.
Who's that?
Over the 7 seas. We did Rome. Working all day, working all night. Do you remember that song?
No.
No. You should do, you're old.
Anybody knows the name who sang it or whatever?
Yeah.
Put it in the comments. Adria Sloop. It's coming as Part X. Right, it's a 2006, so it's a bit old for us. We're going to do what's known as trade to trade. Okay? So we're going to make it a fair, keen price. I'm going to decide on the price of it rather than letting everybody else come up with a price on it.
Yeah.
Okay? So I'm not even going to tell anybody what the price is. I'm going to make you go onto the website, themotorhomeman.co.uk, to have a look what the price is. Scroll to the trade section and you can see the price of it. You're going to like this van, Kev. It's a 2006. It's only done just under 40,000 miles. 39,465. It's on a Fiat Ducato.
Yeah, it was quite tidy, isn't it?
Old shape.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, let's have a look at how the engines have changed. So it's done just under 40,000 miles. Yeah. It's on the Fiat. How simple is that?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah, you still,
nice and tight,
you still
isn't it?
wouldn't want to drop a spanner down it though, would you?
No, would it? Nah.
Yeah.
I nearly swore that, Kev. So,
what size engine is it?
oh, big. Give me a chance, let me get my stat sheet. It's a 2.3 turbo diesel. Right? I can't see because of the sun
I
cap.
know, yeah, I've said.
Right? Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Service history 2007, 2008, 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 16, 18, 17, 2020, 21, 22, and in 2022 at 37,000 miles it had a service and a new timing belt. Yeah?
Right.
Right, so that was at 36,000, it's now done 39,000. It's a 4-berth with 5 belted seats.
Very good.
Okay, right. 5.6 metres long. Yeah.
So you're under the magic 6 metres.
Freshwater capacity is
50.
90.
Mm.
Wastewater capacity is
60.
75. Yeah. It's got a camper cover for it. It's got silver screens for it. It's got a Sony sound system. It's got gas bottles on it. Basically, it's got a flexi solar panel on top of it.
Ready to go camping, isn't it?
Yeah.
Throw your stuff in and off you go.
Yeah. Now, to give you a clue, the last auction about a couple of months ago, one of these went through, right? And it had done 70,000 miles. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wasn't as nice as this. And it went through for around about 12,800. Add your fees on it, so you're over 13,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have a look what we're going to do for. Anyway, so. No marks?
No?
Yeah.
Awning on it?
The size of that step,
That's a big step, isn't it?
isn't it? Yeah. Turbinator.
One big step for mankind.
You're coming out with them today, aren't
Yeah.
you?
Tow bar,
Breakfast
bike rack.
fridge, fresh water. Looks like there's your waste down there as well.
Yeah.
Right, this is going to shock you when it comes to this. You ready?
Yep.
Come on, little step.
Not a dead body in that, is it? Yeah.
It'll be you.
Is that the awning? Or a cover?
That's a step.
Oh, there.
That
Cover,
looks
isn't
like a cover, doesn't it?
it? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that looks tidy inside, doesn't it?
What do you think of that?
Yeah.
You like that, don't you?
First impression, that looks quite
You
real.
like that, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that there for you, Kev.
Oh yeah.
The wine. Okay. Seatbelt, seatbelt.
Yep.
Trim at the front.
Yep.
There's your 5th seatbelt.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just noticed under there.
Here you are, that's stuff for you.
Yeah. 240 volt.
Yeah. Look at that little kitchen in there, eh, Kev?
I quite like the end kitchen now.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
We can move on. There you go there. Look at here. We've got our heating and hot water. What's underneath, Kev?
Oh, storage.
Battery.
Yep.
Fridge.
3-way fridge.
Yeah.
Alright, it's a bit dated, but
Look at that.
decent sized wet room that.
You like that, didn't you?
Yeah.
So let's put that on there. Storage again. Look at that, we've got a skylight. There's one in there. No, I've got the window though, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's a good size though, Kev.
Yep. And the solar's working well, look.
Oh, it's not happy on there, is it?
No. Which battery's that?
Kev, why have we got a ladder?
So you can clean the windows.
Come stand there. I'm going to show you something.
Oh, we've had one like this before, haven't we?
Oh.
With this sort of drop-down bed.
Check that bad boy out.
That's good, isn't it?
In a camper van, Kev.
Yeah. I tell you what, you know, if there was only two, you could still sit down and use a dining table, can't you? Go on, sit down. Sit down, come on, demonstrate.
Yeah.
Right, so if there's just the two of you, you could leave that down. And you still got access to your kitchen, you can still sit and dine.
Yeah.
I like that idea.
You like that?
Yeah.
And then look.
Yeah.
How easy that is.
Yeah, and gas struts.
So the bed, that's simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's gonna drop down.
Drop down, make a double bed.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, that'll slide out there, will it? Yeah.
Slides out. There's your bed.
Is it 2 doubles?
Huh?
In an under 6 metre van.
Under 6 metre van. And for our trade to trade, what a perfect start, eh?
Yeah.
Look at this.
I'm nearly out of battery.
And as you can see,
There's your makeup cushion as well for you. But
yeah. 5-speed. Full done.
nice fun.
Isn't it?
It's
It's
light and airy as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is your Sony system?
For 20 years old, Kevin.
Yeah.
What more can you ask? Hey, what's that?
Wind up torch. Oh, you don't do it like that.
We do it like that.
Oh yeah.
Oh. You don't do it like that. Do you know what, Kev? I like that kitchen area.
The screws come out, Jason.
I do like it. Kev, what's under there?
That'll be a bin.
Yeah.
A bin. Bit of a dusty bin.
Do you know what, Kev? Yeah, just have this back. .6 metres long. Feels huge in here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So,
Bit retarded, isn't it?
Isn't it? So it's made by Adria. It's built properly, Kev.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got the dinette here. We've got a cracking little kitchen, and then you've just stole the show by saying about the bed.
Yeah. Keep it
You
down.
can drop your bed down if there's 2 of you, but also if there's 5 of you.
Yeah, it's well thought out, van.
And it just
Made a good use of the space available.
yeah. Oh, these are controls up here. Oh, leisure battery, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it needs a leisure battery.
Probably just needs a charge, doesn't it? Really? That's your waste. 12 volts.
Can you switch over for batteries for charging?
I don't know, Kev. I'll probably just come in it. So, I don't know. So we're probably going to need a leisure battery so far, by the looks of it. Let's just open the back up first, because we didn't see the gas, did we?
No.
Oh, here we go.
More storage as well. Yeah,
Gas.
hook up cable.
Yeah.
There's your bin there.
Oh, yeah.
You've got room for chairs on that side.
So look.
No, not really. Well, there's
Oh, there's a cassette
yeah.
as well. Hey, put something in here.
Yeah, you can put stuff in here. You're lucky. You
could even probably put your table in here, couldn't you?
Yeah, you probably could actually. Yep, what's your head? I always catch myself on them.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Might start changing mine now, actually, Kev. There you have a really, really nice van. Like I say, to us it's just down to age, basically.
Yeah.
But like I say, we're going to offer this out. Go onto the website. If you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. If you're looking to sell your motorhome, just WhatsApp us. Everything's on there to have a look. We'll have that on there for you. I have given you a clue roughly what it's going to cost you. So let's give you another video, eh?